Look at the front door here, right on entry to the right is going to be the bathroom / laundry room space. Got our cool toned cabinets here. The shower tub combination is a standard feature in our apartments. Some do have walk-in showers instead. This floor plan is great because it also features some additional bathroom storage to the left of the shower space, which is great for organization, and it really frees up those cabinets. And then behind the door here is where our stacked washer dryers are tucked away. In our C floor plans, it really helps to open up the space in the living and bedrooms, so it gives you a lot more living room space and sleep space. So you can see the cabinets here are nice and tall. There's a lot of deep storage under the sink, as well as the drawers here within. And then on exit from the bathroom and laundry room area, we'll make our way to the rest of the house. So there is a storage closet here on entry, leading into the bedroom areas. And when that closes up, it leads us into the open bedroom layout. This is a very spacious bedroom area that does feature 3 of the 4 walls, so it's more of an open bedroom. A little more privacy than a studio, but still has the nice open concept that we love in a studio. And then we've got the barn door closet here. The shelf extends along the length of the closet. Our model unit that's featured on our website and on apartments.com has a queen-size bed in the bedroom space, and there's still room for 2 bedside tables on either end, which is lovely. And then we make our way into the living and kitchen space. So this is a second floor unit here that faces out towards street level. It's nice and sunny today, which we love in Portland. And it opens up into the open kitchen concept here. So as you can see, we have the matching cabinetry from the bathroom, all stainless steel appliances, overhead microwave, and a full-size oven with the ceramic cooktop here. So if you love to cook, every one of our apartments can meet that satisfaction. The convenience of this neighborhood is if you love takeout, you like hitting up the local eateries, we've got a ton of great options nearby. Apartment-sized dishwasher as well. A lot of cabinetry in all of our kitchen layouts, even our studios and open 1 bedrooms. Can't forget that fridge and freezer. And then on an about turn here, we open up into the rest of the living space. We have AC and heat in all of our units here. The windows do open to let a little bit of breeze in. And we'll take you out to the street level here. So this faces out towards Multnomah Street. And just around the corner is a great Starbucks. Down the way here, you can also hit Trailhead Coffee, and if you take a turn around the corner and go down a couple more blocks, there's Marukan Ramen and Nong's, which is an amazing place to eat. You should definitely check it out. So we love this neighborhood. We love these homes, and we hope you do too. So this is the C floor plan. Check out some of the options on our website, and links to pricing are down below. Happy hunting.